Good day, everybody. Jason at Learn to Survive, back with your daily survival tip. Here's an item, $5 or under, that most of us forget about. That should be a part of every first aid kit, every bug out bag, every survival kit, in the glove box of your car. Should be on you at all times. This item costs $5 or less and could save your life. I am talking about aspirin. This particular bottle here, it's store brand, cost me $3.99, $4.99. Not a whole lot. I've got a little container in my everyday carry bag. I've got a little container in my first aid kits, in my bug out bag, glove box in my car, anywhere I'm at. Anything that I would have on me has a little container of aspirin in it. We concentrate on newer classes and better classes of pain reliever like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, and naproxen sodium in our kits, and we forget about good old-fashioned aspirin. And what led me to put aspirin in all my kits is the fact that about 3 years ago I was in Starbucks. There was a lady in front of me, she's probably about 70, 75 years old, collapsed to the floor, having a heart attack. Unfortunately, she did not make it. Nobody knew what to do. Nobody had an aspirin on them, including me. It's something I never thought about because I concentrated on other pain relievers. That experience led me to put aspirin in anything that I could possibly have on me every day. And if it's one of the rare situations that I don't take my everyday carry bag, BC powder is a powdered aspirin, and they usually come in little folded wax paper, and you can get them in little envelopes of like 10 for a couple bucks. But now they've got these little pouches. They're called on the go sticks. You get 24 of them for $3.50. Always got one of these in my pocket. And here's my thinking on it. People have heart attacks each and every day. Anybody who's into prepping or survival, if they ever find themselves in a situation where that skill and knowledge has to be put to use, it's usually going to be a pretty drastic situation. And stress makes the risk of having a heart attack, whether you're physically fit or you're overweight, don't matter, go up 30%. That's a pretty big jump. And aspirin can stop a heart attack. It could buy you crucial hours, even days, till you can get medical attention. So I've included aspirin in all my kits and everything that I would carry, everything that I would have on me. And I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Because you cannot rely on everybody to have the knowledge, to know what to do if you or someone you loved is having a heart attack. You can't rely on everybody to have an aspirin on them if one was needed. So take everything into your own hands because your life matters. Your family's lives matter. People around you, their lives matter. And there's no worse feeling than sitting there, helpless, watching somebody die because you didn't know what to do. or you weren't prepared. With that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video. Take care of yourself. Take care of one another. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. I would appreciate it. Thank you, guys.